Bitcoin might retreat 2.7% by June 4, per Gulf Capital Collector. But first, here's the current view of today's activity. As of this recording, Bitcoin has dropped by 2.8% over the past 24 hours and is trading around $67,122.80. Let's shift to the analysts' projections. CoinDataFlow expects the price to move towards $67,636.65 by tomorrow, representing a gain of about 1%. CoinLore expects Bitcoin to trade higher towards $67,125, an estimated rise of 0.2%. Digital Coin Price points out it could test the $66,580.18 level lower, a downward move of 0.6%. A separate analysis by Gulf Capital Collector suggests Bitcoin could retreat towards $65,171.20, roughly 2.7% lower. And in closing, 30 rates aims for $62,309 by tomorrow, 7% lower than now. This forecast leads in return. We've covered the analysts. Let's see what's beyond. With forecasts in mind, let's explore what's behind each one. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a decrease of 7% and a rise of 1%, depending on the analyst. From this, we can see 30 rates holding the top forecast with 7% gain in value by tomorrow. As a result, you might earn between $2 and $70 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, CoinLore's forecast indicates the most likely price change, with a 78.7% probability. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. Consensus calculations suggest Bitcoin may sit near $65,764.41. Now, let's get into the numbers. Consensus projections show the price down by about 1.8%. This path implies your capital might also go up by around 1.8%. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $18 gained, which adds up to a probability of about 62.4% for the consensus forecast to hold true. From here, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day direction. The outlook from CoinDataFlow shows the price climbing further. CoinLore highlights that Bitcoin may hover around current levels. Digital Coin Price expects a bearish continuation. Also, Gulf Capital Collector expects Bitcoin to decline steadily. According to additionally 30 rates, Bitcoin is set to slip. Consensus projections indicate Bitcoin will likely follow a downward path in the short term. Summing up, 80% of analyst views suggest Bitcoin may drop during this horizon. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. As a result, the market settled at $66,754.80. In this round, most forecasts aligned with the actual market move. Judging by accuracy, 30 rates had the most exact forecast. Let's zoom in on the individual results. 3 forecasts aligned with the candle's boundaries. For ROI performance, several analysts achieved gains, but Digital Coin Price stood highest. Here's the performance view, showing how each forecast did. In the summary, Traders Union shows accuracy, 48.1% forecast probability, and 2.7% ROI. Take a glance and see who achieved the most accurate forecast. Now let's see how Bitcoin's potential forecasted return compares with those of other assets. Bitcoin remains below the leader as optimism shows 8.2% growth potential. Here we're showing Bitcoin alongside 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison is already there on my website. If this saved you some research time, drop a like to let me know it helped. See you in the next one.